Yeah, Gaza Nation. See it there, you know. Love your baby mom. I know and believe. Dep on the iTunes chart all over the world. I shell it right about now. We don't expect that already. But right now, the news is that Damian Crawford and Mad Cabra, the artist Mad Cabra, do the big song Flex Time to Have Sex. Yeah, me see the man them come out and the man them burn on fire pan the government and the talk where man make about dancehall influence shit in other country. You see what I say? Then, looking from that, me hear like the government free up the traveling thing for the UK. So right now, the people them will control the testing of the phone of the Privy Council. Supposed to can hold them flights soon and come in and set the general world boss free. Here what go on. Of the world, it's not a plan. Yo, watch what go on, you know, carefully. A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know it go already, you know. When I come for represent, full effect thing, man. You don't know it go. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, no man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, Gaza Nation. The song them shell way. Hotter than we hell there. You see what I say? Because any boy when I love them baby mother, I must some form of gimmicks thing them I deal with. If I even for bring the life of your youth, you have for sure that I love them for. No joke shit not there in a Gaza Nation. I will not represent no stupid way. You see me? And I know and believe what a powerful song, my brother. Eh? What a powerful song. We hear some boy attack this and attack that. Because them say Alkaline perform on Audio Mac and them claim say well then a history. Because the first dancehall artist do that. More know what cranium and what kind of artist. More know if him is a R&B artist or him is a hip hop artist. Cranium. You know what I mean? Because I think cranium are the first youth to do that. But anyway, we not go bad mind men and people over nothing at all with them do. Because you don't know, say, when the real greatness concerned, you don't have nobody where they there for complete with Gaza. But right about now, just imagine Gaza Nation. When the people them from the UK fly down and test the mysterious blackberry. You see what I say? The one where world boss use and pin Shelly and Kerry. Yo, you know, can imagine the relief from a new system breeze? Eh? The boss are gonna get free up immediately. Quick whip whop, ASAP, instant. No gimmicks thing not there in it. So anytime the boss come a road, you know, we are going to show people our record set. Because them come like them think this thing is a some lollipop thing, you know. You know say, them a hold back down the dynasty. A dancehall from them have the world boss in a them place there, you know. From world boss left dancehall and lock up in other place that all know it no move a muscle from where there, you know, my brother. I tell you, I'm not ask, you know. Buju Banton no come and tell you that I make you know that. You can't imagine when the world boss drop a road. You can't imagine the type of loud explosion all over the world. Because Africa said them ready for celebrate, you know, no gimmicks business not that in it, you know. And we not represent the fool way, you know, because we are not like them drug strap sniffers there, you know. We go around and I look clout and I tell lie and all kind of shit, you know. You know, and music we use and spread our reputation all over the world, you know. And music we use and stamp up, we stamp people and enough stamping ground all over the world, you know. It can't come out of the earth in a Gaza nation, you know. So anytime, you know, anytime now, you know, we supposed to hear the good news, you know. You know what I mean? The man from the man or the mistress from the Privy Council, you know. We are going to take the flight, you know, from the UK, you know. Come in a Kingston, Jamaica for the contest, you know, the famous Blackberry, you know. You see what I say? And anytime that happen, you know, Tata and Baba, you know. And I know gimmicks business, you know. The gate off a fly, you know. No joke shit not dead about it. Them not have no up on the boss. And I know no joke shit. So when some boy attack, you know, and I talk about history, you know, we go and show me, you know, from the moment, you know, on the ear, you know, freedom, you know, that itself alone a history, you know. So we not have to go through the etc., you know. Because we don't know how the world feel about Vybz Kartel and the music, you know. Because the people them not ramp for speak out, you know. And I like Jamaica where some look up, men and people feel like them can hold along the boss success, you know. By them, you know, not paying homage, you know, not show respect, you know. We don't need that from men and people. We don't need them things there from messiahs. Because the government, you know, come out, you know, and I go like say more and put, you know, a certain point of dim, you know, upon the world boss music when them talk about gun lyrics and all of them shit there, you know. I'm see Damian Crawford from big interview on stage, put him in his place properly. You see what I say? And not only that, remember when the artists them fly down upon him, the Buju and the Spragga Benz them, and the man and Killer and Bounty Killer, when the man them fly down upon him and not make him know, you know. Say yo, I can't dance, all I do them shit there, and a bag of people from overseas are chipping, you know. The government run out same time and say, here what, me have money for the artists. Say I have money for artists, I have money for the musician. Because the pandemic and this and that. So, if I use that, for things say, well, then him could have silent up the man there. More people come out and I burn the fire hard. You see what I say? Because Mad Cabra say a madness him attack. Because Mad Cabra say bad man lyrics and gun lyrics was around before evil dancehall X1 like that. The man said them was around in the 80s and all of them shit there. This is what I say. Mad Cabra say, you know, man, you know. Man, you know. I do them crime there, you know. Way before dancehall Evie, you know. Established, you know. You see what I say? The man say way before dancehall established, you know, man I go around and I commit be a crime, you know. You see what I deal with? And I don't know gimmicks business, you know. A real thing the man I talk about, you know. So all them for blame dancehall. The man say right now, before you blame dancehall, you know, you're going to have to cut out the internet business at Jamaica and cut out the cable business and cut out all of them shit there, you know. We show them gruesome and violence movie there, you know. They saw me and say if that be the case. Well, what I want to talk about, Mr. Crawford, you know, say, you know, Vegas call him, you know, and say, you know, ask him, you know, how can, you know, Vybz Kartel sings Clarks, you know, and it influence the youth them at Jamaica. So, when him sing a gun song, it not influence the youth them. The man have to put him in his place too, you know, because him go around, you know, and go on like say him know everything, you know. And the way the man put him in place, the man make him know, say, the research has been done all over the world. And nobody in the world never use entertainment for create no type of violence business. Any person who use them things for violence is already violent already. You see what I deal with? Yeah. The man make him know the research has been done. You see what I say? But I saw them love join up with certain people for act like me don't know if a kiss ass business them love, them a look some free pass. That's why them go around and be in a jockstrap sniffers like that. Because Vegas sing the biggest song. I think him sing a song when I sucky ducky for wearing a name brand. And all him sing that, cause that is a big song for him, one of him biggest song that him do. And all him sing that, and all the numbers on the song and where the song sell, and give him the good look internationally. Yo, I know you still have girl as a sucky ducky for lesser than Bumbuckler name brand. Cause me hear a $500 and $1,000 around a back road. And some girl a do it free of cost, man, not for spend no money. And no joke shit. And some girl a do it for a one apartment where she not have to pay rent. She get that permanent. Original 10-star with statement. And no gimmicks thing. Me not lie about it. A real way me I represent. I don't represent no lollipop way. So most of them jockstrap sniffers, you know, when you see them come out, you know, them ain't gonna come, you know, if you think them can't put no bad light on Gaza, you know. Let me tell you something, the whole town, you know, you know, I go see, we are all witnesses. Wait till when the people them fly down from the Privy Council and test the mysterious blackberry where the world boss use and pin carry. You go and see the type of catastrophe what's happening in the world. At the general, you know, the 10-star one, I represent from a high place. What? Cause New York City pretty. That's why 10-star no show enough for my bumbuckler pretty. A Gaza way, you know, there ain't no other way. 10-star. General. Watch.